Welcome to All About. Today we're going to talk about G07. We're starting with G07, a non very natural color. I don't use it much. G05 on top of it. This is for the natural family combination. And then we're going to end it with G03. We're going to underpaint with RV95. On top of it, we're going with, of course, G07, G05, and G03. We're doing the bonus combination, but the bonus combination is a rebel combination. And it's long, so that's why you see me using a piece of paper. So we're starting with RV95. On top of it, we're going with G07, G05, and G03. From the opposite side, we're going to start with Y17, and then on top of it, Y15. Y15 and Y03 and G03 are the ones that are going to go in the middle, and that's the ones we're going to use a lot of it so they can blend. I am adding more G03, and then I'll be adding more Y15. I know you probably can hear those noises in the background. That is the reason I couldn't do an intro this week. We're changing the floors. Well, I am not. Some people are changing the floors in the house, and it's been noisy and dusty all week for 3 weeks already. Anyway, so I'm swishing in the middle. That's where I want to put the most ink. And now I'm going to give you exactly which one it is, because then I'm going to forget. RV95, G07, G05, G03. Now, starting on the other side, we start with Y17, and then in the middle is going to be Y17. Now, for the Prismacolor pencil match, I needed two. I couldn't decide, so I actually did leave you the two, so you choose which one you like the most. So to match G07, I decided to use PC908, dark green, and then PC912, which is apple green. Between both of them, I'm sure that we can get to it. We needed the dark green first because apple green is the one that has the shade that I'm looking for, but not the intensity or the darkness. So that's why I started with dark green. And then on the second one, you're going to see apple green, PC 912 first, and then PC 908 dark green later. Just to see which one looks better. To me, I believe the second one, PC 912 apple green, and then on top, dark green. That's the one, PC 912 apple green and PC 908 dark green. I mean, you could always go again on top of the other and again. I'm sure it will give you a better result. But for the video, I just did it quickly so you can get the two numbers and then just play with it. Now we're going to do the butterfly. We're starting with the natural family combination. Remember, on the top of the wings, the two wings that are on top, they're going to be without underpainting. The ones on the bottom goes underpainted. Now, the wings are pretty small for me to be doing the rebel combination. This is going to be not a new segment, but we're going to be adding on the title rebel combination. So you'll know, I know a lot of people like these combinations and I love them. So probably from now on, you're going to be seeing me using a lot of these as the bonus combination. Or maybe we could add bonus combination plus a rebel combination. Then we will have to change our template. Anyway, so natural combination, G07, G05, G03, underpainting with RV95. And then the bonus combination is RV95, G07, G05, G03, starting from the other side. Y17, and Y15. In the middle, remember, you need to add a lot of ink. Don't go too fast. You need to deposit a lot of ink in the middle so you can see the blend. You can actually do the blend, wait a little bit, and then start again. So this is your all about for G07. Natural family combination G07, G05, G03. We're underpainting with RV95. And the bonus combination again is RV95, G07, G05, G03. From the other side, we start with Y17 and Y15. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next week. Bye.